I'd be happy to help you make pancakes. Here's a basic pancake recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup milk, 1/4 cup plain yogurt, or you can use more milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons melted butter or vegetable oil, butter or oil for cooking. Instructions: prepare the batter. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, beat the egg. Then add the milk, yogurt, or more milk, and melted butter or oil. Mix until well combined. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. It's okay if there are a few lumps. Overmixing can make the pancakes tough. Preheat the griddle or pan. Place a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. Add a small amount of butter or oil and let it melt. Cook the pancakes. Pour a scoop of batter onto the hot skillet, using about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. You can make them larger or smaller depending on your preference. Cook until you see bubbles forming on the surface of the pancake and the edges look slightly cooked, about 2–3 minutes. Flip and cook. Carefully flip the pancake using a spatula. Cook the other side until it's golden brown, about 1–2 minutes. Serve. Transfer the cooked pancake to a plate and keep warm. You can place them in a slightly warmed oven, 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 95 degrees Celsius, while you cook the rest. Repeat the process with the remaining batter, adding more butter or oil to the skillet as needed. Enjoy! Serve your pancakes warm with your favorite toppings, such as maple syrup, fresh fruits, whipped cream, or chocolate chips. Remember, the first pancake is often a test pancake to adjust the heat and get the right timing. Have fun making your pancakes and enjoy your delicious breakfast.